Prepositions of time. Examples. At plus a specific time on the o'clock. We have a class at 1 o'clock. At plus night. We sleep at night. In. Here are a few examples. In plus a specific month. My birthday is in October. In plus a specific year. I was born in 1989. In plus the morning. We have class in the morning. In plus the afternoon. Bob has class in the afternoon. In plus the evening. I study in the evening. On plus a specific day of the week. I have class on Monday. On plus a specific date. I was born on October 31st, 1991. From and to. From a specific time to a specific time. We have class from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock.